At the end of the year, this model will be for sale. So today, I'm going to walk you through the layout and the long list of upgrades included. At 1,622 square feet, this Affirm floor plan is the smallest of the Freedom 40 collection offered by Shea Homes, but still built for the average retiree's needs. When you enter the home, a flexible room commonly used as a den or office awaits. I have seen this space used as formal dining or even a third bedroom because guests can use the adjacent second bathroom. Right down the hallway from the den, a second bedroom with a closet and a view of the clubhouse awaits. The great room is truly open. In fact, you can bring the outside in by rolling open the glass wall. But even when the rolling wall is closed, the wall of glass brightens your living room experience. The sleek black cabinets with chrome handles blend smoothly with the light-colored countertops and stainless steel appliances. The white subway tile backsplash is arranged in a herringbone pattern. White quartz countertops throughout, and the island hosts a speckled granite with a mix of colors. The porcelain tile plank flooring displays in a light gray with warm undertones and is found in almost every section of the home. On the way in from the garage and behind the kitchen, this home was built with an optional smart space, which enhances your laundry space and makes for a good first or second office. In the great room and primary bedroom, this white horizontally placed shiplap adds a clean enhancement to the wall. In the primary bedroom, a round, flat crown molding ties in smoothly with the round bay window upgrade, and there is no shortage of mountain views to the south. Here you can see the white quartz countertops with the same black cabinets for the vanity. The flooring and shower offer this really unique geometric pattern with circles and star-like designs in shades of gray and white. The backyard's south-facing mountain views are amplified by its direct location to a greenbelt park. The far-end wrought iron wall produces a less kind of caged-in feeling, and privacy is created through different landscaping options.